Hi everyone, 您好 Welcome to Smart Mandarin for Beginners. 我是 Maggie, 您好吗 This is what we believe the best way for learning Mandarin. If this is your first time to watch our video, please press the subscribe button on the right bottom. Session 20. Asking and presenting times. When presenting times in Chinese, the rule is from big to small. It means from hour to minutes and to seconds. It's needed to say o'clock, minute, and second. Here are the key words. 点 o'clock 点 When presenting hours, we use number plus 点. For example, this picture shows 4 o'clock is 4点. 点 分 minute or minutes 分半 half 半课 quarter or quarters 课 This word is only for presenting a quarter of an hour, but not for a quarter of a year nor other usages. 课秒 second or seconds 秒 Let's put it in practice. This one, we have to say 9 o'clock 10 minutes is 9点10分 10 past 9 9点10分 This one, we have to say 8 o'clock 1 quarter 8点一刻 a quarter past 8 8点一刻 Same as English, you can also say 8:15, then will be 8点15分 This one is 2 o'clock half 2点半 half past 2 2点半 We have learned that number 2 is 2, but 2 is only for counting numbers. If we counting anything else, we use 2 instead of 2. You can also say 2:30. Then in Chinese will be 2点30分 When presenting AM or PM, we will say morning or afternoon first, and then the hour, then minute, and then second. For example, if we want to present 10 a.m., that will be morning 10 o'clock. Is 上午10点上午10点 10 o'clock in the morning 上午10点 5 past 3 p.m. will be afternoon 3 o'clock 5 minutes 下午3点5分5 past 3 in the afternoon 下午3 3:05 This one is 12:30 p.m. We will say noon, 12 o'clock, half. 中午12:30 is 12:30 in the afternoon. 中午12:30 中午 in Chinese is a period of time somewhere between 11:30 a.m. to 1 p.m. 中午12:30 When presenting 11 p.m., we say evening 11 o'clock is 晚上11点 11 o'clock in the evening 晚上11点 Now let's say how to ask and answer the times. Keywords 现在 right now, current or at present. 现在几 how many, how much, which or what number. 几现在几点 literally means now which o'clock. What's the time now? 现在几点 Or you can say 什么时间 What time? 什么时间什么 means what. 时间 means time. 什么时间 It's 2:30 now. In Chinese, we will say now 2 o'clock half. 现在2:30现在2:30 is 2:30. 现在几点 Now which o'clock? What's the time now? 现在几点 A 3:15. We will say 3 o'clock a quarter. 3点一刻3点一刻 This is how we ask and present times. Now let's say how to present more complex time. For example, 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. The rule is the same from big to small. So we will say tomorrow afternoon and 3 o'clock is 明天下午3点明天下午3点 3 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. Thank you for watching. 你很棒，谢谢。再见。If you like our video, please press the like button and subscribe. See you next time.